the June 19th, she submitted a negative urine test and then a subsequent negative on July 22nd. The September 30th was not addressed. We don't have anything after July 22nd, but overall, there have been more negative urine tests than anything, than failure to submit, if that makes sense.
And in my direction, she did get a drug test last week as well. That came back negative.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 7257A, State versus Savannah Page Gutierrez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mary Peterzak for the defense. We're ready to proceed.
All right. And are you Savannah Page Gutierrez? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Savannah Page Gutierrez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7257A for the offense of burglary of a habitation on December 2nd, 2021 for a period of 4 years? Is that you? All right, state. Sure. All right, state.
Violation of condition number 2 on or about the 19th day of June 2025 in Missouri County, Texas, the defendant Savannah Gutierrez did then and there fail to submit to start asking as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or the authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. And then violation of condition number 2 on or about the 30th day of September 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant began to take Gutierrez. The defendant there failed to submit the drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Waiting again is early.
Any objection to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 2 and 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2 and 2? All right, is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, what a reason and is for the court to deny this case motion and alter and amend the conditions to include a no harmful or injurious unhappy order with Angelina Longoria and permit the defendant to buy out her community service colors at $7.25 per hour for community service. Before it expires.
When the court wants the warrant, then everything has to proceed. All of the previous technical violations that have already been worked through and counseled kind of appear on there.
Okay. All right. Miss Abrams. So the 2 and 2 that she's pled true to, that's already previously been addressed?
So, on the first number 2, the June 19th, she submitted a negative urine test on June 27th, and then a subsequent negative on July 22nd. The September 30th was not addressed. We don't have anything after July 22nd, but I can say there have been a few failure to submit, but overall, there have been more negative urine tests than anything, than failure to submit. If that makes sense.
And in my direction, she did get a drug test last week as well. That came back negative.
Okay. And then who is Angelina Longoria?
Her spouse.
I'm sorry.
So, Judge, Angelina Longoria is the co-defendant in the case, and she is also on probation. However, they are legally married, and back in July, a compliance hearing was conducted, and we amended conditions for her to include a no harmful or injurious contact with Savannah Gutierrez, and she could not live in the household with Ms. Gutierrez. At the time, I don't believe the court was aware that Ms. Gutierrez, or it didn't come out that she was also on probation, or the court was not reminded that she was also on probation and had the no contact. So when the supplemental report was sent in, the no contact, the no harmful or injurious contact that had been amended on the other party was not even mentioned in the supplemental report. So it made it seem that they were just having contact with the no contact order still in place, which it was, but it had been amended on the other party.
Okay.
So the supplemental report gave direction for an MTR to be filed. And when the MTR was filed, they included these technical violations. Ms. Gutierrez was going to, the court indicated if she finished her trade school that she would be given credit for community service hours. She did not finish the trade school, hence the 95 hours are still outstanding. All of the fees and everything has been paid on the case, and she's been overall compliant with these issues. So probation stance at this point is to allow her no harmful or injurious contact with her spouse and to buy out the community service hours. Her case is set to expire on the 1st of December.
So you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Savannah Gutierrez.
All right. Why are you not taking your drug test at the scheduled time on the scheduled date? This whole thing about doing it after the fact, that's not good.
I just worked.
All right, so why did you pick up the phone and tell your probation officer that? Probation, has she been telling them that she works?
Judge, I don't have a quick way to look at that. If you would like Mr. Marinos to zoom in, I can have him zoom in, Judge.
No, that's fine. Oh, no, he doesn't have to zoom in. All right, so here's the thing. In this court, communication is key. That's the only way you're going to successfully complete probation. I tell people all the time, if there's an issue, you need to let your officer know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you come to me and we address it. You understand? All right, this is what the court will do. The court will follow your agreement to deny the motion. Alternate man conditions. I'm going to extend her for 2 months. Those 2 months, you better make every UA and do everything. You understand? And probation, she can do the UA or she can do the patch. It seems like she may be able to afford the patch. There is to be no harmful or injurious contact with Angelina Longoria. You're going to have to complete those remaining 95 hours of community service restitution, or you can pay it off at $7.25 per hour. Usually I say make a donation to the food bank, because usually the food bank, they're always low on items for people. So if she wants to make a donation to the food bank that equals the $7.25 per hour, she can do that. All right. Is there anything else? Probation?
Judge, as far as the UAs are concerned, with the extension of 2 months, typically we just do monthly. Are you asking for just monthly?
Yes. Or she can do the patch. Is there anything else?
Just the patch.
The patch is approximately $300. But the patch costs more, but it helps you with your time.
Yes.
All right. All right, don't come back again for this, you understand? I'll keep an open mind, but I'm telling you, don't come back for it. All right, good luck to you.
And Judge, I just want to make sure that we are perfectly clear on the amended conditions for the other case. It says they cannot live together. Is that still the case?
Yes.
Okay, still the case. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. That was
And
my case.
as you know, there are reasons why I said that y'all could not live together because there were issues. You understand?
Yes.
All right, State, do y'all have your, you're excused and the warrant is recalled?
Is there any other paperwork that she needs to fill out?
No.
Okay.